Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
See if this egg flies all over the place when I take this bite. It sure did. It's that simple. It's that easy. Let's see if it's that delicious. I can't wait. I'm going for it right now. I gotta tell you, that's pretty good. There's the finished product. Look at that. Ooh, it's hot. It's cheesy. It's pasta. Oh my God, it's melting your mouth. That's what it is. Simple. Oh, let's try it. That's a big bite. We got lettuce, tomato, onion. Tomato, onion, lettuce. There it is. That's the simple snack, deviled egg on toast. Well, who cares how simple it was? It's got to taste killer dough. Let's check it out. Make sure nothing on my face. It's still steaming hot. That's delicious. The orzo's just melt in your mouth. You can taste all those seasonings. I can't wait for a big bite. Just get a little corner right here. Oh, I can feel it. This omelet is fluffy, cheesy. Well, don't talk about it, Mike. Take a bite and let us know. Let me see. Oh, now how about a big killer Foster bite? I'm ready. Check it out. It's all coming in there. I got the crispiness of the bacon. I got the creaminess of that egg and the mayo. I taste the lettuce. What's left? The bread and the turkey. Sweet Bible. You know, Mike Foster's the Sandwich King, the fried egg sandwich king, and I make a fried egg sandwich out of just about anything, and I did it with a club sandwich. Killer Diller, check this out and check out all my videos at Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. And tell everybody about Live Life 365 and keep living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Let me finish the video. Wow. That was good. A lot of crazy things going on. Need a haircut. Need to trim my beard. Other than that, bye-bye.